Ladies and gentlemen, let's take a trip back to a time when trailers were built like airplanes, looked like art, and made you feel like a movie star camping in the wilderness. I'm talking about the 1946 Spartan Manor 25, a rolling masterpiece that could make even my buddy Dave, who once tried to tow a boat with a lawnmower, look classy on the open road. Now, this 25-foot, 7.6-meter, single-axle Spartan Manor isn't just any travel trailer. It's the product of the Spartan Aircraft Company from Tulsa, Oklahoma. Yes, the same people who used to build luxury planes decided to take their aerospace know-how and put it on wheels. I believe this trailer represents post-war optimism in aluminum form. Its semi-monocoque riveted body is pure aviation heritage, and under the right sunlight, it shines brighter than my neighbor Rick's bald head at a barbecue. Restored inside and out, the exterior gleams with hand-polished aluminum panels and two classic porthole doors that make you feel like you're boarding an Art Deco spaceship. It rides on painted steel wheels wrapped in black wall tires, while electric drum brakes keep things safe when descending mountain passes, something I wish my uncle's 1980s camper had figured out before it nearly became a ski lift. The modern upgrades are where this Spartan truly earns its wings. A Senville mini-split HVAC system sits proudly on the tongue, providing whisper-quiet cooling and heating, far more civilized than the window fans we used to duct tape to our campers. There's also updated wiring, plumbing, and lighting, all installed during a recent refurbishment that makes this trailer more functional than ever. Step inside, and it's like walking into a mid-century designer's dream. The wood-grain flooring, recessed LED lighting, and smooth paneling bring warmth and style, while the lounge area features a soft blue sofa, tray table, and even a flat-screen TV. Yes, you can watch Netflix inside a 1946 trailer. I think that's what they call progress. The galley kitchen is small but mighty, with custom cabinetry, butcher block countertops, and a vibrant backsplash that looks like something out of a 1950s diner. There's a Frigidaire refrigerator, induction cooktop, and even an A.O. Smith water heater to ensure your coffee ritual doesn't rely on boiling water over a campfire. The rear bedroom has a cozy double bed with storage underneath and a mounted mini-split vent, perfect for those summer nights when your camping partner insists that opening a window counts as air conditioning. The bathroom? Fully tiled, with a modern shower, sink, and pedal flush toilet. Practical, clean, and surprisingly luxurious for a trailer that's nearly 80 years old. Now, it's not entirely flawless. A bit of rust on the underside reminds you that this beauty has lived a long life. But for a trailer that's been around since Harry Truman was president, I'd say it's earned those scars. The Spartan Manor 25 recently bid up to $35,000 USD, 32,000 euros, and honestly, I think that's fair. You're not just buying a trailer, you're buying a hand-built time capsule that merges aviation design with camping simplicity. What I like the most is how it manages to feel nostalgic yet comfortable vintage soul with modern bones. If you're curious to see more, check out the official Spartan Trailers archive online, or better yet, hit the link under this video to explore this beauty in motion. And hey, before we roll out, consider becoming a sponsor of our channel for just $1. That's right, one single dollar. It keeps the lights on, the jokes flowing, and the coffee hot.